That is Thank You Show, and as usual, the time is Appreciation O'Clock. My name is Afrahclassic. Now, and now share my fadia, and name me shorty, make up papa be, neo Sibia Mamma says a tally and home corner bar, a Berlin's looks beauty parlor. And I am for say, you know, body. If it is about beauty, consider us. Lawyer to hotels also tired to say to and I did show ye a brewo. Now, send Yanya, like I always define the show. No. Yeah, appreciate a personality. I will define it or alter or born homodia. What will make it impact, you know, almost any show when you catch almost all my idea. Young people show on them, and dear, I am Yankasa, my lawyer, as what I say, a lawyer Kofi BeKai, yeah, or your private legal practitioner, and the managing consultant at the George's Law Consult. One and ne. Profiling here very brief because aside Nedumano, there are a lot about him and only a better say. Na Odudum say papa. I am my home premier. I'm just boiling to sit to talk to him. He's right here. Let's go for a quick commercial break. When we bounce back, lawyer is our guest. Thank you, show. You deserve it. So today, Lawyer Kofi BeKai deserves to be celebrated. That's the reasons why we are here. Lawyer, hello.
Hello.
All right. So all that we know about you is about your practice in the law firm, and you know, aside that, how would you describe you to us?
I'm a private person, born to Helena Ponsan and then Charles Ujura BeKai years back, going through the mail through life, up and down and all that. It's primary school, university, law school, what have you. So it's a man who has grown up from infancy, gone through the mail through school and all that. But by God's grace, we are what we are, where we are.
Okay.
And then we are milling on.
Wow. Which of your parents did you stay with? Mama and our papa?
Me papa. But nam papa is police.
Okay.
So we combed all over, maybe by primary school or police depot in the 1970s. In fact, the one and the one you two a champon, you two buzia. Na call Tumu Hamile, Shira. Sunyane, Georgia, you know, all those police in here, police in here transfer. You have to go with him and all that. So what happened was that I was able to finish experimental in primary school. But the only thing I said I had was my head. My head was upright.
Okay.
And you book them, I kind of ban your idea, and I'll be lazy about it. So yeah, so I transfer in the middle of the term na year no. Because you portray exams, so you go near jumping, me jumping 3-4 times in school. And so na me 1976 na me sa middle school living certificates na me jump ako secondary school secondary school from form 1 to 1981 na me na me ko sixth form na me ko university. So my train except the time now Rollins by a train for university for train 1 year. That's the only time between a few from home before I came to work near there.
So can you take us through memories down the lane? What are your youthful memories or your childhood memories? Okay.
Some papa police in near barracks. Your barracks boy from class 1 to university. I remember there were police depot. I'm starting this primary school. I tested on police depot. From there near Kowa. You call Sunyane na school na yema until another leg of the school a friend Abroso until we call Abroso if you show near culture and those are all your friend barracks your school up and down primary school.
Didn't it affect you in any way?
It
moving from one school to another?
It didn't affect me because as that is how it is. I've psyched myself that it's on transfer every time you go on transfer. Actually 2-3 years to 4 years, we could transfer.
You meet new friends.
You make new friends. You go all over the place and all that. So my school, no, that is my target.
Okay.
The way I go, I have to make my impact from 1 to 5 on the positions. I have to secure it. And if that is the case now, then I can easily merge up or adopt in any situation where we find. But all over the memory lane, primary school to middle school, maybe or Georgia.
So learning is very difficult and very lazy to go about. So for a young boy or a small boy to determine that in the next 10 years in education, I need to be here, I need to what was your motivation?
For my father was very strict.
Okay.
He had been a teacher before, and
if
you mess up, he will cane you. And I'm sure cane, so you have to be disciplined.
Okay.
And that is where no a place nearby Georgia no. Now no mansa.
Okay.
So which makoto be a lomefo be a friend BB. It me the sunny see one I for a whole year will be a funny san can fear. So out of that, no, you discipline, you make sure say BBI is in order. And yes, I cannot be received, no. And once you fear the cane, the discipline that is goes on, no, you have to make sure say you lead a comporting life both within and outside the house. Did I be my style that in Kolaboni 70 and then I will not be part of it. I should make a crank so that at the end of the day, and you will see, say, you mold your life to grow up and then meet the aspiration that you have. And I didn't have so many friends.
Okay.
In life, I don't, even up till now, I have very close, few good friends that have kept it. My law school say, Nipa 5. Your friend, discussions together. We are still together. From 2007, I real law school up to now, we are still together. Okay. And I have few friends because I'm not a type who goes out. I'm very introvert. I don't go out. I don't make friends. And then you cry. No, you're very close to your books and your work and anything. I'm not a type who is very outgoing and all that. But the focus that I have in life, from infancy, has built up in me. That orientation outside what I want to do in life, and that has driven me by the grace of God to this point. Was
there a stepmother or it was mommy, daddy?
I didn't want to go there, but my father and my mother, I think 5 years and I didn't ask them. My mother was 2011, my father were 10 years down the line, 2021, but I didn't ask them what was the point in it. But from that home, the home did not break me up.
Okay.
Which, I don't know what happened, but my father aunties discovered also engineering. I don't know what happened. I didn't ask them what it is. Well. But so all along I was following my father. Stepmothers, they were there, they sometimes to that in the charge there. But that gave me.
Did you receive some small
it built me up. They say between as at now. You need made with you. So what we do is that I be a sheep, I do everything. I do whatever. That's my home. I have to keep it.
Okay. And then wow, more lawyers washing boots and sweeping and cooking at the same time. Wow. So I learned that before one can become a lawyer, you must have a lawyer family member. How true is it?
I don't think it's true.
Okay.
I don't think
so
it's true.
It's a myth.
Yeah, it's a myth. I don't know, but I believe that when you go to your friend interview, you say, "Do you have a lawyer family, whatever? Who is a member of your family who is a lawyer and all that?" But that is not a just thing for your admission to the law school.
So you rarely said, "Say we're introvert." Aside your law firm and your personality as a private legal practitioner, what life do you have?
I do other lives.
Okay.
In the church.
Okay.
I preach. I teach. I am a lawyer for Ghana Presbytery. Presbytery, Presbytery setting, I have a constituency. And see Ghana Presbytery.
Okay.
And it's a large area with about 27 districts. And I'm a lawyer for Volta Presbytery, the whole of Volta region.
Okay.
Or more Presbytery, so the two is there. And I'm a lay rep with Nima district to Ghana Presbytery. That means district and Nima district. I'm representing one more Presbytery level. So I do a lot of your friend work for the church. Outside near me you know, I participate in the church in my hometown and everything. So I'm a Presbyterian staunch member for that matter. So I do other social work in the
Okay, so you just said say you're a presbyter, right? The first time I me who answer me bisa question be say yes say lawyer bia join secret society. The more money nkata. Aside of presby, no, do you have some cult that you join?
No, I don't at all.
It's really Jesus.
Yes. It's Christ Center. You're praying before your Christ Center. I don't do anything like that at all.
Do well when you back at oh.
When say lawyer phone on word, but I get to say that.
It's not true.
Never.
Really?
Yeah, I'm on phone pay 70. That's where they will classify you as.
Why is it that Ghanaians find it very difficult to walk into a lawyer's office to consult him?
Yes, Kasim.
Okay.
When people come to me, I tell them, Uba my office where who books I can say go. It costs money.
Okay.
It costs money. The least you can find is about 500 and onwards.
Okay.
Yeah, we to my books, law reports, a friend student called law reports, better law reports in Court of Appeal, better law reports in High Court, better. School Nangasa is very expensive. If you know what court no crown, who to your legal fees, who to your filing fees.
Oh, lawyer.
They be the pakrono or client, no.
Okay.
So everything about law is very expensive. They wouldn't even venture to come to the chambers to do anything at all. But what our advice say claim na is not up to maybe 500 or we do cover less than 500,000. You just move into your friend district court.
Okay.
District magistrate court. Kwa kama cemetery registrar no.
Wankasa.
You just walk in there. Obama someone's know how you be and then you go serve the fellow and come. Onujina left onujara judge neto no aye wasemama. Every circuit court no be a high court in the mako na be here lawyer. But nyama yenketenkete na obi ewu na ya be twene ne yere ne mafi wo na abusu ampanyin no anye hute no wa be yimu nyama egu abonten. You know those things. Just walk to district court to be na report. You don't na judge neto wa obela ambassador wo ma deal with them na yetimi aye na wonko hu lawyer na abusu a wo no yere kunu aye adwuma na si dan no na owu ye na abusu afo be tu afi wo. That is scandalous and it's not it should not be entertained in Ghana here. Nti man muntie na obi ye pe move no mangasa mo report mo to the court. They will bring them and come and deal with them. Me for do han say we show abusuafo no mo do ayaka de. You shouldn't do that at all.
But me no obi anya asem. Afa lawyer. Me asem me metimi akama asem. Nti ma amfa lawyer. Sense every
what district court today one for lawyer that's it.
District court
but this high court untimi and there's so for lawyer
ale sasa na famia na
odeti one for lawyer uniska be for lawyer obekisa ka kire judge so uniska be for lawyer you were legal aid one lawyers are untiaka you just go and report to them no ma back out ama one ye aban lawyers are omo ebu ankrofo no mu yo case or high court or whatever and you ya no ko get a crowd guide on be high court main high court the region be omo you just walk in there and then tell your story then you take your matter up.
Na za tintina you need a lawyer.
High court you need a lawyer. District circuit court you need a lawyer.
Amfe be bede
undimi ndi asem no because there are some certain technical issues that has to be done and undimi ndi no one colleague e no maboa.
Okay. Wow. I don't think lawyers want to mean to Yaka. I mean, you're better, mom.
Groma advert. US no Europe on advert and over chicha cast a high advert. Yes, you good which you took crab. When we say by somebody kitty see war so you don't do advert. We advertise is against your friend professional acts no. You know you'll be sanctioned for doing advert. So the signboard crash should be very small.
How do people see you and come?
It's a reference point. The Juma we microphone.
Recommendations.
Recommendation. Yeah, reference point. People catch why you Juma money they you know now because me court now frame now we have if court now you my 2% so frame me now say me Juma make I say you can engage me on the court premises. What they say, use your office near transfer me who before you can engage me near the your professional issue in rather home, so you have to circumspect in what you do.
How often do you lose cases?
Oh, it's not often. Okay. You will lose cases.
Okay.
You will win some, you will lose some. What they say, obviously look at you bank now, but you come and use me to stampede the court. I'll let you say, let's agree with the bank on any terms of settlement. But court there, you lose, you win. You lose, you win.
Now, my father said, my lawyer, area, but you am sick, mammy.
But you come on, no court how many times now, you real case in there.
Yes, I am in Peru.
It's what some say there. Go for be assassin and go for a plot ya ton move for around the back court say ya ton move for us ko je assassin now the subsequent lease about say wodia you know ni nyina paperwork the hwe ni odin ba first what on genuinely no and wodia ni later obewe a genuine ewe no
na wo kodi asem na chi no wa hu say ria no obewe ndi aya mutumi hu no say asem we die obewe pa na mo bo pa die chi
David nye ne sa obe advice no also kwa na oko but you know also but what to be fasa the man in my chambers here we will tell you the truth that this is it.
Okay.
What I say court here proving the burden of proof court here so prove case what I say and the whole year na paperwork na enko here because just this one you cannot have it lawyers does we be here in fact we be here.
So law adwumono ankasa no more faculties, right? This will be international law, be a family lawyer, be this will be, and I one lawyer with me.
Yeah, in Ghana, no, we do everything.
Okay.
You do land law, you do property law, you do trademark, you do corporate law, you do commercial law, you do IT law, a whole lot. What I say? It's a matter of this, but you call a friend Abuchenuma, you specialize immigration lawyer, defense lawyer for accused persons, or your lawyer. That is how it is. But Ghana, we do everything. But we are not so specialized here. I hire specializing in commercial and corporate law. But we do litigation so. What they say. But apart from that, you do other things. Anything. You may be total. A total no. Omo feel omo tank ne ba omo ba na short
eh ya hwim so
na petrol wo de leakage ba na from afaso e ba wi what they say and I have to go and do this case in court. I have to go to Total and sit down with them and they will tell me when a woman fill tank no the depot I dey by the station what they do it omo ba when you overcome felicity, you are baby flat. A honor can be for about 10-20 minutes. Now settle before you discharge. And the annoying in bet you how it is. May fail me banana say we do an say leakage be any why they did go down from
calculation.
Yeah, you have to make sure because while the abasha every time out the tank remember no lose it affects him. Ultimately, sika petrol nitka. Then you have to know why the petrol is leaking. When we get then as a leak, I do station where na a short.
Wow.
We say medical law. Obi doctor be negligent. Wakwe operation. You don't know medicine, do you? You don't. And there's all kunyo medical book and I professor be na say no how it goes like. And when you know the medical your friend the officer be sure back court. No bet your expert advice or how your case why negligent to kum nipa. Operation or no way to money and they will come and show you everything. So that's how the law is. It's not so much learned, no. Only say do only we are no one what law no material then one be defend.
I see. What are the common laws it should be at the fingertips of every Ghanaian that we are not paying attention to? Common laws.
That is the issue about why negligent. Wabeju sika kura unchia. Officer na down for now. On your transaction, no affection, no in your manema, so what else here? There are offenses. I will find say, only your business on your contract to be also. Let's can acquire basa. Meanwhile, it's good money. When Cassie Unia now, Unia, for 2 years. Or make register company now. Of menu never if I didn't shave now, I'm director 50-50 why. Da, a very critical. So when your partner be near now, if you could you crash or mess you are. And I could do my dinner, you know, I'm for Capramano. You do be catch us 50% no move for Munchanica. Meanwhile, I didn't pay a dime for his shares. You know, these are the little things that a lawyer for whom you are. So if you want to do something proper, as a lawyer, and your lawyer be never use car.
Okay.
One day, Matiana, Papa, by time now, circle share. Oh, yes, somebody now. Obe Remono say, Nairina Erika, no escape on the Umu. Practitioner, yes. In the air, na or see any early man and sick mammy, yeah, man, we know. Scanboys in 2000 said, offer him lawyer, when yes, 2000 cent, oh, Mr. Fat, the Nijis, you know, you be a lawyer, when you won't come home, who advice on yes, Kevin Obey.
My lawyer, why? Let us say, you do pro bono, right?
We do to some extent.
Okay. I see. Before a client will come to see you, would there be a consultation fee before? And I thought, wait, maybe who know be doing kono.
There be an income, sir. Everything is money in law. And do a consultation.
As a money as well for pay.
We are so for pay. The only difference, the only a year on is so for the only next to God, a lawyer for the Sasia no motive, but they take the money. You see the color, I no shekut black, I saw for shekut black. That's a justice.
Okay.
In biblical sense, your friend is silver line, and the silver line refers to Jesus Christ.
Okay.
What else? We actually assume, but the color now as of for that is the light, and the light of the world, and they almost color ketwana, which even though almost black, it can encompasses and shines against them. It's justice. What else? And the lawyer, you for ni asofo ye no omo yeje onkwane wa ko heaven o de the lawyer for years o justice ye ju onkwa I will court one here for ngotum.
Okay. Wow, the conversation is very interesting. I just want us to know who a lawyer is, what it entails to be a lawyer, and what have you. Na yakasi die chira ebedi nkomo na ntia be ni kejebi. Why? I think we will come back again when the need arises. So guys, let's go for a quick commercial break here. Bar a boasting time on Thank You Show. Welcome to Thank You Show, ladies and gentlemen. The time now is boasting time on Thank You Show. Thank you show, you deserve it. So lawyer BeKai is still my guest, like I said. So lawyer BeJohn, no, you're professional. What are they? So lawyer, this is the main show. This is the reasons why we appreciate your effort and we say thanks to you. Show us, has God been faithful to you, and what have you achieved in life?
Thank you very much. It's a loaded question.
Okay.
You grow up, you don't know what will happen in the next moment or not, but God will direct you to do all that.
Yeah.
I went to school straightforward. I came out, and then when I came out in 1990 from University of Ghana, after staying home for that 1 year, then I went to Registrar General. Registrar General's department. 2 years down the line, in 1992, I was put on a project, and that project I was able to do it very well. So I stayed in Registrar General for about 10 years before I did I did the law in 2007 when I finished, and there the only thing that helped me was that I had good bosses. Okay. And then I'll stand up for Mr. Halley, I'll stand up for Mrs. Rudy Jumpu, I'll stand up for Nano Hinobin, I'll stand up for Mr. Duka Sumai and JD, Mr. Mills. Those are the people who were the Registrar Generals. They nurtured me into what I would. So I began to see that I have to learn, and I learned it. Everything that I did there was to the effect that I want to learn and have a future.
Okay.
So there, they put me on a project, what we call liquidations and all that. So I learned it. It was a new project, and I was able to do it at that young stage up to a point. And then in 2002, 2003, I saw the need to go to law school.
Okay.
But coming back at the University of Ghana, 84, 85, 86 that I entered the university, they said when you have grade 9, you can become a lawyer, you can do law.
Okay.
But there was this revolution and everything, so I got scared. So I didn't do the law. But the registrar of the university did national service even at a command secondary school, where I attended, but I still did not do it. I could have walked in there and they had it. But when I came to Registrar General, I saw that the work is law-based. Companies Code, Companies Act, at that time it was Company Act, and then I saw that I have to be a lawyer to be able to, understand the terrain of the work. Then I make a law.
Okay.
So from a law, me a law now, we a Juma for 2 years. The 2009, I feel Registrar General. No, I work with Piazza Bodu, and I was talking about we used to say very noble guy or chairman law for 6-7 years. Not many in a year, Juma. He taught me all that. And unfortunately, me feel one channel, but he law no me fair money a day, and that. And growing up, every year, me call Juma for 1 year. And one day me say then let me open my own. But the George's 208, the George's certificate, we registered. We law school 207. The 208 now registered the George's Law Consult. At all. It may be 6-7 years down the line, and me say then we have to open this.
Okay, so they register already.
Yeah, register. In the 20 after 7 years, na it will be na ya waseo.
Yeah.
Auntie, na ye kakra na me secretary for 1 year, and then the second year another person came. Now we are 9 lawyers in this firm. You cruise up together. So by the grace of God, your friend, we moved through, yes, and then at church too, we are moving and then helping the church, and then the some-year lawyer or how-many-year lawyer for all the, it brings me up to appreciate what the church is doing and also be involved in the church.
Okay.
In the church, and also, sure, say, you have to offer to God what you have.
Yeah.
The brains in Yamana Marco, and that is what I used to have. And within all these constituencies, a friend, presbyteries are making law, Sembiaba, chairperson, no the Bema Sibuano, understand this and that. So all these things help you shape. And then you get busy every day. With social life, sometimes you sell it.
Yeah.
And then do it. But it's all good. And you have to make sure, say, what is it that you want to achieve in life? How are you shaping your life to meet that achievement? Because you don't come and say without leaving a footprint. That is why we want to make sure, say, country and men, and then we will feel young. So, by the grace of God, pedestal, no. We were 4 boys, we were 2 girls, 2 boys, and I team actually Omokakra could do a chinya. We are on it.
Then what I say? I lawyer boasted from head to toe. Enter home my bar a party time. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's party time. So I do this time. So this is where we celebrate our guests. So mon come home. Now you say thanks to a lawyer. Lawyer nye she krano. What we tried will be paying. Lawyer nye she krano. Said your advice will be paying legally. So sure. So we are here to say thank you, lawyer Kofi BeKai. This is for lawyer. The pot is for you, okay? Thank you so much for your time, or dedicated time for Ghanaians, and a consulting nada. We say a very big thank you to you. I pray, say, a radima or longer life, good health, more money, more clients. Good. So, lawyer, please tell me what you wish for. Like in life, what's your wish?
Yeah, to have a good health, to be able to worship our God in spirit and in truth, to be able to live long, to see the children grow, and then you leave them for them to continue their life.
So right? Thank you so much, lawyer. I deem it a great privilege to come before you.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Mama Lawyer Sri, this is Afrahclassic. My name is Afrahclassic. Catch you same time next week. Bye.